All right, I'm going to show you how to pair an NFT reward with a physical item. First thing you need to do is go to AddressForm.io and you need to create a form. You don't have to be specific when you create this form. You just need sort of a placeholder so that you can have a link that you need to use later in your Juicebox project. And then you could see that you could token gate the form with a Juicebox NFT reward that you give to your contributors. So I've created the form and now I have a link and I'm going to use this later as I set up my Juicebox project. So now I'm setting up a Juicebox project on testnet. Now it's important to understand that AddressForm.io doesn't work on testnet, so I'm kind of doing a little bit of a workaround to make this work. In this case, I'm selling a hoodie for Swim Shady, one of the nouns, populating all of my information about the collection and how much it's going to cost. And then once I get to the payment success pop-up, this is where I fill out the information that my customers are going to read. And it's really, really important that you don't mess this up. Add the button text, and then I have to go back to my form and get that link and paste it in the button link. So there's my link, copy. Now I'm going to paste it here. And once I hit preview, you'll see that that will take me to that form. Okay, so that's really important. Make sure you don't mess it up. We are setting up a way for you to be able to edit that, but that's not live yet. I'm going to deploy this project. And then while I'm waiting for my NFT rewards to populate on the project, I'm going to go back to my form and I'm going to make it customized based on what I need. In this case, I want to send a sweatshirt to a person. So I need their full name, address, email for confirmation. And then I'm asking for a wallet address to maybe give them some perks in the future. So just filling all this stuff out and then saving the form. And so now I'm going to find the NFT contract address, which is under data source. It's right there. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to address forms, and I'm going to token gate this form by going on workflows, clicking on the token gating workflow, adding the address there, and then saving it. So now I'm going to buy this Swim Shady hoodie NFT and pay the project. And now this payment success pop-up window will pop up. Click on that, and now I'm able to fill out the form. And so I'm just going to add my information here and click submit. And because my wallet holds that NFT, I get a confirmation. Now, if I don't hold that NFT and I try to go to the form, I'm going to get a submission error. So this is a really cool way to pair Juicebox with a physical item. You could imagine selling anything via Juicebox and also pairing an NFT reward with that item. If you have any questions, reach out, DM on Twitter or on the Discord. Thank you.